Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Ez Clix Club review video, I'd like to share with you a new buyer traffic source that has just been launched recently online. And you'll see here it says, get instant buyer traffic in the next 3 minutes. And Ez Clix Club, what it is, it's 100% autopilot buyers traffic. And by that, I mean there's no clicking any emails. Once you get everything set up, it is literally 100% set and forget. So the system does all the work for you. It's a great way to automate your traffic. It's a great way to get buyer traffic to your offers. You've got an option within this system here of 1, 2, or 3 URLs, depending on what your budget is. And what I'm going to do now is show you how you can not just become a customer, but show you how you can get your traffic for free and get into profit as well. So some people are customers and they don't want to be affiliates, and that's great because it's a great product. But what I want to teach you is how to use these offers to earn a monthly recurring income, a growing monthly recurring income, and get into profit with these so you can reinvest some of your profits and you can buy more traffic to promote your offers. And that way, the more buyers you get in front of your offers, the more money you're going to make online. So I'll just take you into my Warrior Plus account. I am going to go into the back office of Ez Clix Club, but I want to show you how well these kind of offers convert. So you'll see here I've made nearly $1,000 in commissions from promoting 3 other similar offers. I promote Click Engine, I promote Traffic Blaster Pro, and I just started promoting ClickStrain. And the reason as an affiliate you can become successful is the recurring payment. So if you look at the right hand column and you see all these circular arrows, all of these are recurring payments that are coming in from happy members. And if you look at the retention here, this one's in their 6th month, this one's in their 6th month. So they're a brand new customer in their 2nd month, they're in their 4th month, they're in their 6th month, they're in their 6th month. So when you've got happy customers that are getting autopilot buyers traffic, look at all the circular arrows, you can start to earn. First of all, you get your traffic for free just by getting 2 referrals, and we're going to help you do that. And then you start to earn a growing monthly recurring income because these products have got upsells built into the funnel, and they're done for you funnels. You only promote one link. I've done lots of other videos on this, so I'm not going to go into great detail today, but you'll see here out of the, I think, well, 191 commissions there, and I think I referred about 60 members to these 3 offers. So roughly about 130 of these commissions come from upsells or monthly recurring commissions, and Ez Clix Club has got an upsell. Look at this one here at $14.99, this one here at $14.90. So you're just promoting one link, and then all you do is when the customer goes through a journey, excuse me, one here at $34.90. When the customer goes through a journey, then you're going to earn upsell commissions, and that's how you get into profit fast with these offers. We teach you how to promote one link, and we give you all the tools and resources and traffic you need to be successful. So let's have a look at Ez Clix Club. Maybe you don't want to be an affiliate, maybe you just want to be a customer. So let's have a look at what you're going to get both as a customer and an affiliate. So the link in the description will take you to a page like this. And if you just play this video here, it's a very short video, just lasts a few minutes long. But you'll see here to discover how you can activate hands-free, high-quality traffic. So you don't get any emails coming into your inbox you've got to click every day. All right, it's just instant traffic in 3 excuse me, in 3 easy steps. Number 1, you click the link in the description and you set up your account. Number 2, you submit your links. And then number 3, there's optional extras, tools and advertisers bonuses that you can explore. Talks about why you need traffic, but we all know why we need traffic. The more traffic you get, the more successful you're going to be. Excuse me. But Ez Clix traffic is made up with a portfolio of traffic sources, and it just shows you here exactly where your traffic's going to come from. It comes from custom viral systems. It comes from premium traffic packages. It comes from login ads, so targeted there. There's traffic rotators. It comes from banners, and it comes from social tools, because buyers are everywhere. You don't just promote on one platform. What you do is you promote to a portfolio. They use email marketing as well. So the owner of Ez Clix Club is called Brad. There's game theory, and Brad is a traffic expert, and he's been driving traffic to his websites for over 10 years, and he's set up this program so you can be successful with your traffic as well. So if you come down here, you're going to get some bonuses as well. So your bonus for number 1 is free banner advertising, and that's a lifetime of impressions. And you're also going to get a custom viral traffic page as a bonus. And then all you're going to do is, as well, this is really good, they're going to give you done for you affiliate marketing. So what they, as part of their the way to honor you joining the membership, is they're going to promote your page in their rotator to get you to Ez Clix signups. And then what that means to you, that means that your membership will be fully paid, and after that you're getting your buyers traffic for free, and then after that you're going to be into profit, and you can earn monthly recurring commissions and also one-off commissions with the upsell bonus that's in there. So this is just a very affordable, just over $1 a week, and it's today it's $4.90. Brad has said that in the future this could possibly go up in price. It's not a scarcity tactic, but sometimes as the value they give you grows and they're promoting to more sites, then they may put the price up. But if you join today at this price, then you're going to get locked in. It says here, I understand this special discounted price is locked in as long as I stay a member. So let's have a look now. I'm going to do some more videos on this because I want to take you into the back office in more detail. But just for today, I want to show you as an affiliate what you can get and the tools and the resources they're going to give you to promote Ez Clix Club. So there's a lot of done for you resources that Brad's created. So what you do is, first of all, you go into managing your ads. So you put your URL into here. You'll see I'm an upgraded member here. I've got 3 different URLs in there. So you've got a choice of 1, 2, or 3 URLs. And then you've got in the affiliate section here, you've got email swipes, you've got banners, you've got all your links to promote. All you do is go into your back office when you join. You get your Warrior Plus link. That's my link there. And then they put your Warrior Plus link into their follow-up. So if you don't want to build your own list, then they'll do the follow-ups for you as well. And you've got email swipes over here. So you've got lots of email swipes. If you don't want to write any email copy, or you don't want to write any subject lines, they've got all the done for you. They've got all the banners here. So you go into the different banners. And here, not quite sure where so that goes into a set of different banners. Open that there. Goes into all your different size banners. So Brad's really created everything you need to become a success. I'm trying to look for the lead capture pages. I'm just very new to this, so I'm just finding my way around the back office. Let's have a look and see. Main sales page, landing pages. So here they are. So you've got splash pages and landing pages. These are all done for you. All you do is promote this link here. So let's have a look and see which is a really good one you could use. And it even gives you some stats over here as well of what's working. So all you would do is copy and paste that link there. Let's just show you the quality of these. Control C and go over here to Control V, and you'll see the quality of the done for you resources. So all you need to do is just promote that link, and then your affiliate links integrated into this lead capture page. And if you don't want to build your own list, then Ez Clix Club, what they will do is they will do all the follow-ups for you. And what we're going to do as a team, we're going to give you the share codes. If you're not familiar with what share codes are, then we've created lead capture pages that are high converting, and then you can start to build your own list and follow up and boost your commissions. So that's something we're doing within our team, is giving you share codes with the Leads Leap platform. Leads Leap is free to join. It's a lifetime membership, so you don't have to upgrade if you don't wish to do so. So let's just have a look now. And what I want to do is a thank you for watching this video all the way through. I want to give you a free ebook. So if you do decide to become an affiliate, again, you can just be a customer. You don't have to become an affiliate. So we recommend you become a customer and start to automate your business. But with an affiliate, I'm going to give you this ebook called Instant Traffic Secrets. It's written by a 7-figure earner. What it does, it teaches you how to get massive traffic to any website. So you can use the contents of this ebook and the strategies to start promoting Ez Clix Club as an affiliate and start to get some members, some referrals, and start to grow your monthly recurring income. So if you've enjoyed it, I'll put a link in the description for this free ebook if you want to download that. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you want to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and then click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently at the moment, I've got over 700 videos on the channel, and I'm doing several new videos every single week. And if you've got any questions at all about Ez Clix Club, then leave those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description, and then if you want to contact me via email, then you can do so. So the link in the description will take you to, let's just show you the video again here. The link in the description will take you to this page. So just click the link in the description and watch this video to get an overview of what Ez Clix Club is all about, and see if that's of interest for you. And if you think you can either use this product to drive some great traffic to your offers, or if you want to join our team and come and work with us, and we'll help you grow a nice solid monthly growing recurring income with these traffic products. So thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.